So this video will be about removing mold from a bathroom. So it's not too bad, but you don't want it to get any worse than this. So you want to wear safety glasses, a mask, and safety glasses, a mask, and make sure you have the window open when using this. You just want to make sure you have a rubber glove as well when applying this stuff. So safety glasses, good ventilation, a mask, and rubber glove. So there's a lot of products on the market, but I think this one will do. Just something that's going to kill the mold. Just want to hold it pretty. I'm being extremely careful. Might have to do a second coat on some tough areas. Seems to be coming off pretty good though. Even more mold.